Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm gonna show you guys how to do a SimBrief tutorial. And how to fill up the flight plan. A SimBrief, it's a web page in Google. You're gonna find a link in the description. And it helps you create flight plans very realistically. And now after you register to an account, first you're gonna go to dispatch system, and then you're gonna go to the dispatch menu. After the dispatch menu, we're going to go and create a new flight. After you press on it, we're going to choose our departure DALO, the ICAO of Orange International Airport, and the city that I live in. Our flight number is going to be 6032 and our airline DAH, which is Air Algeria. Our arrival is going to be DAAG, the ICAO of Algiers Airport. Our ABC is just going to be, our alternate is going to be the ABC, and our aircraft type is going to be the Airbus A320neo. We're going to center the advanced aircraft options. Our serial code will be AGLR, and our registration will be 7 Tango Victor Bravo Yankee. After we chose that, the fuel factor, this acts as a multiplier for fuel burn. Respectively, P05, come on, P05 equals to plus 0.05%, and M07 equals to minus 0.07%, and I'm going to leave it in P00, the usual one. And our cost index, I'm going to leave it auto. Our cruise profile, the cost index, I'm going to leave it auto. And guys, I'm going to teach you in the selections. You can choose our operational flight plan layout. I'm going to leave it in Lido, but you can choose any aircraft, any airline. There's United Arab, Etihad, Southwest, Ryanair, Qatar, KLM, JetBlue, Lufthansa, BAL, anything. And I'm going to choose kilograms for units. And now, our detailed navlog, I recommend leaving this on for a more realistic flight plan. And our ETOPS plan, if you are on a trans-Pacific flight, I recommend letting this on, but if you are not, let it off. Our planned step climbs, if you leave the altitude auto, you see, the planned step climbs is gonna be off. But I'm gonna not do the planned step climbs, because what is it? Well, when the weight gets lighter, you get higher, and I don't like that. So since we're heading to the east, we're going to choose flight level 250, because it's an odd number. When we're heading to the west, we're going to choose an even number, because we're heading to the west. And our flight number and our flight cruise altitude is 250. And no planned step climb, because this can't work if you're choosing your own altitude. Our runway analysis, I recommend letting this on. NOTAMs, noticed airmen, let this on also, and our further NOTAMs, which is more detailed NOTAMs about the airspaces. I recommend using this in real flights, but not simulation. But if you still want to do it, let it on. And flight maps detailed, leave it detailed. Now now we're gonna go here. Our extra fuel is gonna be 2,000 kilograms, and our pilot ID. This is not it's not used that much. Our passengers, we're gonna choose about 100 passengers, and our arrival runway 05, departure runway. This doesn't matter. Our departure and arrival, you can just change it to 09. Anything you want if you want to change it, but I'm gonna leave it in 05. And then our freight, we're gonna put it to 2.8, and our zero fuel weight, we're gonna leave it auto, because guys, if you choose the fuel weight 3.2, this will automatically change when we generate the flight. This will automatically change into something else. Now I'm gonna leave it on auto, because the zero fuel weight will calculate the zero fuel weight between the passengers and the freight. And I recommend letting this auto, but if you wanna use it if you want. And now when we're gonna descend to our route, you can find route through Sky Vector if you want to check it, like this, or you can just check it here, easy. Now guys, we're gonna go here. I'm gonna choose Moss, Mike Oscar Sierra, Delta Alpha Hotel Romeo Alpha, Charlie Hotel Echo, Mike Alpha Romeo, which is Moss Dahra Shashel, and Marmor. Since we're gonna use algaes, we're gonna do an ILS approach. And here's our route. And if you want to change it, you can find here, or if you want to write your own route, you can just do here. Like you can do it anything. I'm gonna leave it like it is. Aligned route, and like it is. Now you can view more routes if you want, like this one. I recommend using Masdar Social Mamura, but if you want to change it. And after, guys, you fill the whole flight plan. After you do it, we're gonna go to generate flight, and then wait for it to generate. And guys, I really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel. And I would love to if you take me to 700 subscribers, not 600 but 700. Now after we're gonna reach our operational flight plan summary. Our airline's DAH, Air Algerie, flight number 6032. Our aircraft is gonna be an Airbus A320neo. Our departure DAO. Destination DAAG, our alternate recovery, which if we don't find weather good in Algiers or all runners are closed, we're gonna go to the recovery airport. And our cruise flight will be flight level 250, and our date is 22 August 2022, and depart 2015 Universal Time, and our air time is going to be 39 minutes. Block fuel 6,691 kilograms. Our extra fuel is going to be 2,000. Our zero fuel weight, it was automatic calculated, and it was 57,572, and our tau is 64,032 kilograms. And our route, here it is, our rounding. And now, guys, after you reach Moss, Mike Oscar Sierra, you're gonna find our TOC, top of climb. After we reach Dahra, after a few kilometers, we're gonna reach TOD, top of descent. And then we're gonna go to Charlie Hotel Echo, to Mike Alpha Romeo. Now, I'm going to teach you about the flight plan, in total, the papers. Now, if you guys find this hard, you can use this if you want. How do I read this flight plan? It's actually very useful if you are new, and anything you want is right here in the user guide. Our flight number, and it's gonna be HC call sign DH6032. Our date. The departure and destination, the aircraft Airbus A320neo, the registration 7 Tango Victor George Yankee, and now we're gonna go to our planned fuel. After we reach our planned fuel, our block fuel is gonna be 6,691 kilograms, and our minimum takeoff fuel is gonna be 4,461, and our extra fuel is gonna be 2,000 kilograms, like I chose. Now, guys, we're gonna descend to weight, and our packs are gonna be like I chose, 100, and our cargo 5.3, payload 13.2, our ZFU, our fuel with the extra, it's 11.6. Our tau is 64.0, and our law fuel 62.5. And now, guys, this is our flight log. And now, this is a flight log. You can find everything that you want. Top of descent, the position. Literally, you can find everything here. It's very realistic. It's like any pilot will do. Pilot. Wind information. Our climb, when we climb, 100 flight level 100. This is its fuel wind information, and 200, 310, 250, and our top of climb 210, 250, 250. 230, 250. 250 is altitude that I chose, and it's 28, 252, 55, 11 minus 21 degrees. When you reach Dahra, top of climb Dahra, this is its altitude wind information, and top of descent altitude information, and descent altitude information. Now our ICAO flight plan, you can find it here, our additional info, everything is here, like any pilot. Our NOTAM for DAO, you're gonna find it here, and the NOTAM for the AAG, you're gonna find it here. And the NOTAM for Constantine, the ABC, and it's here. And now our G is FIR, like I said, NOTAM sphere, which is detailed airspaces, and like I told you, it will show up here. And I recommend using this for real simulation, but not flight simulator. And now everything is here, weather nodes and NOTAMs. And guys, thank you a lot for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.